Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make one of my all-time favorite soft and fluffy pav bread or buttery dinner rolls. Into a large bowl add all-purpose flour, some milk powder, instant dry yeast, salt, some sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients and into that add some lukewarm water. Add it little by little and knead it. Once it comes together as a dough, finally add some melted butter, and you have to knead this for around 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes soft and elastic. Add some butter on top and cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour or until it becomes double in size. After 1 hour, our dough is ready. Deflate the dough. Now let's prepare the baking pan. Here I am adding some melted butter and spread it nicely. Now take small portions. Make smooth balls like this and arrange it in the baking tray. Now cover the tray and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now you can see it got puffed up really well. Before baking, give it an egg wash. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And bake this at 220 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. And after baking, you can see that beautiful golden color on top. And it came out really well. Add some butter on top to make it more soft. Once it cools down, you can take it out. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pav bread or buttery dinner rolls fresh out of the oven. Soft and fluffy and absolutely irresistible. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy baking!